Hey, this is Jenny Jones, Digital Marketing Tool Shed. All right, so listen, what I want to do is show you today how I grew my affiliate marketing business. Now, I'm not going to say it's an empire, but what it is it is a third leg of my income streams, right? I have 22 streams. Actually, I think I got 23 streams because I just created another stream earlier this month. So going into 2024, if you want to increase your affiliate marketing revenue bucket, right, then I want to show you a tool that's going to allow you to do that. So let's take a look inside, right? And what it does is it's going to allow you access to over 25,000 different places you can actually sell for, right? Or you can become an affiliate for. So it really depends on your niche, but I'm almost certain there'll be something in there for you. And we're going to take a look at it and just take it for a test spin. If this is your first time to this channel, please go and like and subscribe. I'm always giving you ways to grow your business, to grow your bottom line, to look at different software tools to help you grow your business. All right, so let's dive into the tool a little bit. I do not want to be for you long, so let's go ahead and dive inside. All right, so what you're going to see here is you're going to see this is just I'm just kind of giving you a 40,000 foot overview of it and kind of what you can do. Right, so this particular setup here, and it's going to be a link obviously in the description for you to take advantage of what it is I'm going to show you. So the way the tool sets up is you put all of your products in there, and everything in there, everything in your store will have an affiliate link associated with it. So once you build your audience up, you can just say, hey, just go to my store. You can find the link, or you can put a direct link from your store in there as well. So it's basically an affiliate store. Holds all your affiliate links in one place. This is magic. It's gold. I love it. It's definitely, I want to say it hasn't quite doubled my business in affiliate marketing because I just started using it, but it has increased it about 40%, right? And so you start looking through it here. But what I think what's most important is it has a custom domain, real-time analytics, right? It lets you know if there's any immediate line breaks or in your affiliate links. It definitely sends you off an alarm, sends you an email, says, hey, one of your line break links have broken, right? And so what you can do here is says you can add any of your products. Anything that has an affiliate link or a picture, you can add it in there. And then you add it, then you share it. That's all you have to do. And then you start earning money, right? So let's take a look. Again, it's trusted by thousands of YouTubers, podcasters, coaches, anybody that's trying to influence their audience or have somewhere where they just need a repository. And you got stuff over here, you got stuff over there. This is one particular area. And I'm going to show you and kind of I'll show you the behind the scenes of some of my stores, because I have about 5 stores now. That's the reason why my revenue has just jumped tremendously. I'm going to show you the stores. If you would like me to show you the blueprint and show you how to actually set it up and increase your revenue and how I use it, then you might want to pick up a subscription to Saas Use Case TV, where I'm going through these different tools and showing you my own personal blueprint and how to increase your revenue with the software that I'm actually sharing with you. Also, I did do an interview with the founder of this particular company, and she gives you the kind of outline of how people are using it to make money. That's in Saas Use Case TV as well. Sign up for a subscription for that. You can actually, there's an app in the App Store. You can get it from there, whether you're on iOS or whether you're on Android. Let's take a look at some of the companies, some of the 25,000 companies that they actually use. Let's just take a quick snapshot, and then I'm gonna walk you through the tool real quick, let you take a quick look at my store. Then I'll allow you an opportunity to go to my store and actually pick up an actual subscription for it. No additional cost to you, but that's just how I continue to grow my business and bring more videos like this to you. So let's take a look inside and let's see, just take a few at some of the 25,000 affiliates that they already have. So we're over here now. We're looking just a glance at, and this is basically how it works. This particular company already has the connections, right, that you can't even get, right? You can't get to Nike, you can't get to NFL, you can't get to NBA. They already can. They already have the established affiliate network, what you're doing is you're just coming in behind using their prowess that they have already to have these network relationships. And then what they're doing is they're extending that to you. So it's almost like a hierarchy tree. They have all these 25,000 relationships with these affiliate brands and stores worldwide, right? So if you're global, if you're in the UK, wherever you're at, you're going to be able to connect with these particular brands without lifting a finger. Just by joining this particular software, you are going to have automatic access. As soon as you join it, set up your payment, set up your payment gateway, how you want to get paid. Then you're automatically going to be able to have affiliation with over 25,000 brands like today, automatically. So you don't have to go through this long application process with all these affiliates and all that. And so then you'll have them all housed in one particular area. This is a sneaky tool. All right. So I don't want to spend too much more time with you. I just kind of wanted to just show you, like, they have like Xfinity.com, right? NFL, Etsy, Microsoft, AliExpress, SoundCloud, Walmart, TripAdvisor, Best Buy. You can add, so it depends on what you're doing. If you're showing cameras, you're showing people the latest software, you can actually have an agreement already with Best Buy today. So as soon as you sign up for this, you'll have agreement with them as soon as they clear your banking where they're going to send you products. So you have NBA, you have NFL, you have Nike. What if you wanted to do something with pets or something? I'm just giving you the range. I think they have HostGator here. They have Hilton Hotels, right? Hotwire, right? This is if you're this kind of, you have Hertz, they have HP.com. So you basically can run an affiliate store literally in the next, I'd say it'd take you maybe 45 minutes to set up your entire store. If you wanted to get it looking nice, I'd give you about an hour. If you really wanted to look really, really nice, set up your own domain and all that, I give you about 2 hours. In 2 hours, you can become a giant, right? And I do have a YouTube course that I'm doing. I have 3 YouTube channels. A lot of people come here and says, oh, you don't have that many followers. Dude, I just started this channel to try to just do software for companies who are trying to grow their business. I have 2 other channels as well. All right. And those channels they're growing. One of them is already pretty big already. So if you wanted to do Timberland shoes, right? We got here, you got Teachable, you got Train Online, Thumbtack, right? TransUnion, Ticketmaster. You can actually become an affiliate for Ticketmaster and just move tickets in your local area. You can create a business. In fact, I may show you the blueprint. Actually, I will go in and show you the blueprint of how you can just create your own store or you can become an expert in all these different areas that you like, that you enjoy. You got to enjoy liking videos and creating videos for these particular brands. So again, these just a few that they have here. I mean, what if you wanted to do some things like sell for Sears, Staples.com, Southwest.com, right? Airlines, Samsung, you name it. This particular company is going to show you. So let me show you. Let's take a look behind the scenes. Let's look at let's look at a couple of my stores, and I'm going to show you the strategy. Not going to get into the detail. Again, you can get that at Saas Use Case TV. I actually have, once you get there, there's 50% off lifetime deal. I only have several coupons. I only put out so many. And once I get enough of those, I'm going to shut that off, right? So that's 50% for a limited time off of the lifetime deal to Saas Use Case TV. You can go over there. Again, like I said, check that out. Start getting the blueprint on how I'm setting these up and making money, right? So let me show you. Let's take a look let's look at my store. All right, so we have made it over here to my store. Now, as you can see here, I have 5 stores, right? There's different businesses that I run, right? Anybody that really truly knows me knows that I run 3 companies, manage 15 brands, and have about 23 revenue streams. All right, so a lot of people say, hey man, that's ridiculous. It's not if you have the right software to manage it. That's the reason why I started this channel, is because you have to have different software that runs my business. I try to keep a low overhead, but I let all of my software do the work. All right, so let's take a look at the store that I use here. This is the actual store that I use for Saas Use Case TV and or my digital marketing toolshed. So what I have here set up, and again, if you want to get the blueprint and see the strategy that I have behind here, you can actually do that. Now, this is a store. I just started this store probably 6 months ago. And the way I have it structured is I have different, if I'm talking about different software or different software packages that people can get, I just put them together in these little packs here. And then what I do is I just share the actual link. So if I'm doing videos, or if I'm talking about two different products, or if I'm talking about, let's say for instance, if you're talking about Nike and you're talking about, you know, adding it with something else, or if you're talking about HP and then you're talking about an HP printer or something like that, you can just put the link to HP, and or you can put the link to HP and you can get it at Best Buy, and then you can put the link to HP and Best Buy, or if they can pick it up at Walmart, you can put all three of those in one particular collection, right? And that's kind of how you do that, right? So for example, I created this one for doing, I created this one for just LinkedIn prospecting and the different types of software that I use for that, right? So I have two products in here, right? One is Wallaxy, right? And then one is Closely. These two are LinkedIn giants, right? So when I'm talking about it in my different videos, or if I'm doing particular different offerings, the company may have given me an additional discount or something like that. What I'll do is I'll just put it in my store, and I'll say, hey, you can get the LinkedIn prospecting tools that I talked about in my video, and I just share one link. And that's how you do that, right? And so what I also want to show you is how to actually create an actual product in here. And like I said, if you want to go deeper, you want to see how I use my overall strategy, again, you got to pick that up over on Saas Use Case TV. And again, go ahead and use the discount link that I have below, right? So let's take a look at how this actually works. And then I'm going to allow you an opportunity to pick it up and test drive it. I think it is a 14-day trial. So hold on. Let's show you how, let me show you how I put this together. So this is actually how my store looks, right? So when you come here, there's going to be deals, and there's going to be a blog link here. So you can use a blog as well. You can follow this channel, or you can click on a YouTube link, or you can go to the website, right? So when a person first comes here, right, I'm going to have a special pack for you. It's going to be called the Affiliate Marketing Pack. I'm going to put that up here. So here, if I'm talking about email products, email marketing, unique tools that you've never seen before, right? You come here, and this is my store, in my store right now. So you can come here. These are unique growth hacking tools. You're going to see those here. Cast Magic, Social Juice, Topic Mojo, Perks. These are all different tools that I use. I actually use all of these tools, right? And you can come here and you can just take them out for a spin, or use my affiliate link and become associated with those. Now, if I wanted to add a product to this particular setup, and I'll actually put this product in there. I'll let you take a look at that and see how that works. But what you do is you come back here, and let me go into the admin panel and show you how I add products to it. And we'll wrap this up. So inside my admin panel, first thing you want to do is you want to add a product. So let's go ahead and do that. And what it'll ask you here is just, hey, do you want to add a product, or do you want to add a collection? And the difference is, if you're adding a product, then you'd add it to an existing collection. These are all collections. But if I wanted to create a new collection, then I would go collection, or I want to just add a new product. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this particular offering to my unique marketing setup here, right? So no, I want to create a whole new, actually, I think I'm going to create a new collection that's only for affiliate marketing, right? So I'll create that and put it in its own collection. So let's do that. So what you're going to do is they're going to give you this particular screen. Let me just fill this in real quick, and you can make this either private or you can add tags so that you can remember what they are. You just say, hey, this is a collection name. You describe it. This is going to be for affiliate marketers, and I can keep this private if I want, and then I can just hit correct. So let me do that real quick. All right, so basically what I did here is I created my collection. So this is in fact my collection. I can go ahead and put a cover up here, which I'm going to do. I have no products in there. This is a collection of affiliate marketing tools used to start your business. So what I'll do is I'll create the cover, then I'll put the links in there, and then I'll put a link in my description for you to actually be able to pick up this tool. So what you do now is you just hit that, and then that says, hey, add your product here. So I'm going to go ahead and add my product. You just copy and paste it in, whatever your link is, and then you come back and then you put the actual covers in. So let's go ahead and do that. So what you're going to notice is once you put in your link, right, it's going to bring you to the product selection page, right? And it allows you, hey, do you want custom SEO? It's going to be enabled, ChatGPT enabled, brand choices enabled, right? So all those enable. So you're going to put in the product name. It asks you here, do you want to use the default, the custom, or the disabled, right? I don't want to get paid on this, which I don't know who would not want to do that. And then you can put, have you tried it, right? Have you tried this product before? If there's a special coupon, you can add and set that up as well, right? And then you can just hit save, right? Or you can rate the product yourself. You can put 5 stars or what have you. You can do that. And then you just upload your photos like that. So I'm going to add 2 products here, right? And I'm going to put that in a pack, and then I'm going to put a link in there for you to follow and pick up this affiliate marketing starter pack. All right, so let's go ahead and fill the details in. So as you can see here, I've actually created here, it's affiliate marketing starter tools. So when you come to my store here, you're going to find, once you click on here, should be a direct link to take you right here. You're going to see the 2 choices in there. You're going to see Saas Use Case TV, and you're going to actually see the affiliate store that I just shared with you. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. If you're trying to grow your business with any type of software, you're trying to increase your revenue with any type of software, you're tired of doing business the same old way and trying to change the game, you're going to find that software tools can do that. Hey, this has been Jenny Jones. Hopefully you liked this video. Please like, subscribe, please share. All right. So again, hopefully you enjoyed this video. We're over here at the Digital Marketing Tool Shed. Hopefully you guys were able to glean some incitement and enjoyment from this. Again, this has been Jenny Jones. Hey, you guys take care until next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Please comment below. Let me know if you think it's a good investment. And again, there's a 14-day trial. You can check that out. I think you'll like it, right? There's no other place you can get over access to 25,000 affiliates with the click of a button, right? And you can become an Amazon affiliate as well, just utilizing their setup as well. All right. This has been Jenny Jones. You guys take care. Till next time. Goodbye for now.